How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now we are studying on boring, tough lesson, right? So some of the kids, they have complained, like not complained, they have suggested like, I don't want to explain fully like word by word. I have to say the content what it is given in the lesson. So I am concluding that lesson by saying something what is important only. Okay, ma? So you won't feel bored. Okay. So I can understand your situation. So I am concluding the lesson by saying whatever it is needed only. Okay, ma? Okay. Then even I am showing the book. Okay. Till page number 124, the last para only we left. Here we are saying about the Veer Kunvar Singh, how he was in his old age also he was doing whatever brave things for the India's independence. So here 25th he has so many things, so many countries he had captured, so many fight he has fight towards the English people. So everything, so many contributions he has given, so many. Okay, so in that he is from Jagadishpur, right? So Danapur or Agra ki is ladai ki ज्वाला बिहार में सर here fight is happening and 13 अगस्त को जगदीशपुर में कुंवर सिंह की सेना अंग्रेज़ों को परास्त किया. In 13 August his team has team win against the English people, and in everything this Veer Kunvar Singh was there as the head. So after that what happened, आजमगढ़ की ओर जाना का आना उनका उद्देश्य था इलाहाबाद एवं बनारस पर आक्रमण कर शत्रुओं को पराजित करना, अंततः जगदीशपुर पर अधिकार करना. See, English people first they were Allahabad एवं बनारस पर आक्रमण. Allahabad और बनारस both place they have to attack and they have to capture जगदीशपुर. There only that only there. अंग्रेज़ों और कुंवर सिंह की सेना के बीच घमासान युद्ध हुआ. Then after that what happened? अंग्रेज English people and कुंवर सिंह's team and all is fighting, and 22 March 1858 को आजमगढ़ पर कब्जा कर लिया. They have captured आजमगढ़. अंग्रेज़ों ने दोबारा आजमगढ़ पर आक्रमण किया. Then again अंग्रेज people are coming and attacking to आजमगढ़. So concludingly what happening means 23 अप्रैल 1858 को स्वाधीनता का विजय पताका फहराते हुए जगदीशपुर पहुंच गए. कुंवर सिंह ही अंग्रेज़ों को परास्त कर, अंग्रेज पीपल दे फेल्ड एंड in 1858 23 अप्रैल को in जगदीशपुर he kept the स्वाधीनता का विजय पताका, he kept the flag of independence. किंतु इस बूढ़े शेर को but what happening means he can't he that happiness because he failed, he made to fail the Angrez people, English people, and he won the fight. Then he won that happiness till not last for more days. What happening means in 26 April 1858 को यह वीर इस संसार को विदा होकर अपनी अमर कहानी छोड़ गया. In 23 April 1858 only that happening, isn't it? But after that only 3 days he accepted that happiness, because after 3 days he is going from our India. He is going no more. He is dying on 26 April 1858. Then he is a very good person. And also कहा जाता है एक बार one day what happening means when he was crossing the Ganga river, when he was crossing with his followers, with his soldiers, but the English people still they didn't before his death what happened, that only happened. English people they never allow him to go anywhere. Wherever they are going, they are following them. So English people always following them. So they heard that they are coming by Ganga river. So after hearing that, Kunvar Singh is very clever. He also is very clever. So by hearing that English people is coming to attack us, he is flashing the news like we are going to what they are saying means अफवाह फैला दी कि वे अपनी सेना को बलिया के पास हाथियों पर चढ़ाकर पार. He spread the news like that. I will send my soldiers near to Balia one place. They are near to that, and through elephants only I will send the soldiers. Like that he is spreading the news. Through Balia I will send the soldiers by elephants only. Like that he is spreading the news. Then what happening means all the English people, even the minister of that English people, Douglas, so they are going near to the Balia and they are waiting for Veer Kunvar Singh and also his soldiers, because they are told they will come on that way. But what happening means Veer Kunvar Singh is cleverly he is doing that. He is making his followers to go by another way through boat. So जब डगलस को then after that Douglas, that minister of English people, he came to know that they are going in another way. So after hearing that he became so angry and he is coming to catch them. But after that what happened, when he reached there, only the last boat was going. The last boat in that Veer Kunvar Singh was sitting. So he was attacking on Veer Kunvar Singh and he is shooting towards Veer Kunvar Singh, and it was coming on his hand. It was that rifle is coming towards Veer Kunvar Singh on the right side of in his right hand. So what happening, Veer Kunvar Singh को लगा कि अब हाथ तो बेकार हो गया. Then he understand that if he is reaching with that hand after the Ganga river, even it will not work. That hand will not be having any use. So what he is thinking, that he is closing his eyes, and he was like that very strong person he is. So he is telling to Ganga river that Ganga river, I am giving this as a gift for you to give me love for me. So you please accept this. Like that he is telling, and he is cutting his right hand and keeping on the Ganga river. So like that powerful person only Veer Kunvar Singh. Understood? So then after that what happening means, he has done so many social things and all, like Ara Jila school के लिए ज़मीन दान में दी. He has given place for the land for the Ara named one district is there. Their school was not there, so he has given land to build the school. Then स्कूल के भवन का निर्माण किया गया. कहा जाता है कि उनकी आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी. His economic background was not good. Then even he has given all the help for the poor people. निर्धन व्यक्तियों की सहायता करते थे. He used to help the poor people. अपने इलाके अनेक सुविधा. He has given more facilities in his area and all. One was that in Ara Jagadishpur Sadak और Ara Balia Sadak का निर्माण. He has built that road to Ara to Jagadishpur and Ara Balia. This both road he has only built. Then जल की पूर्ति के लिए लोग कुएं खुदवाते थे. That time for getting water they used to dig a well for that. Kunvar Singh अनेक कुआं he also made so many well for the people also. Then Kunvar Singh उदार एवं अत्यंत संवेदनशील व्यक्ति है. ही इज़ ए वेरी काइंडफुल पर्सन. इब्राहिम खान और किफ़ायत हुसैन उनकी सेना में उच्च पदों पर आसीन थे. इब्राहिम खान एंड किफ़ायत हुसैन इज़ द मेन पीपल इन हिज सोल्जरी इन हिज टीम. उनके यहाँ हिंदू और मुसलमानों के सभी त्यौहार एक साथ मिलकर मनाए जाते थे. He would won't have any separation. They will celebrate both Muslims and Hindus festivals together. उन्होंने पाठशालाएँ और मकतब भी बनवाए. Schools and also church and then mosque also they made. बाबू कुंवर सिंह की लोकप्रियता इतनी थी कि बिहार की कई लोक भाषाओं में उनकी प्रशस्ति लोकगीतों के रूप में आज भी गाई जाती है. His popularity is that much famous means in Bihar about him so many folk songs and all they have read. बिहार के प्रसिद्ध कवि मनोरंजन प्रसाद सिंह ने उनकी वीरता और शौर्य का वर्णन करते हुए लिखा है. This down you can see 4-line poem is there. This was written by Manoranjan Prasad Singh. He is a famous poet in Bihar. He has written by praising his Veer Kunwar Singh only. That चला गया यों कुंवर अमरपुर साहस से सब अरिदल जीत उसका चित्र देखकर अब भी दुश्मन होते हैं. 5 means he went here then even he is a very brave person. By seeing his photo even everyone are afraid him. Like the दुश्मन होते हैं 5 the enemies and all is becoming afraid. वीर प्रसविनी फूम धन्य वह धन्य वीर वह धन्य अधीर गाते थे और गावेंगे हम हरदम उसकी जय के गीत. We are reading, we are singing about him, we are still singing, we will sing about him, we never stop singing about him. स्वतंत्रता का सैनिक था. ही वॉज द सोल्जर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. आज़ादी का दीवाना था. सब कहते हैं कुंवर सिंह भी बड़ा वीर मर्दाना था. इज़ ए वेरी बिग पर्सन, इज़ ए वेरी फेमस पर्सन लाइक दैट everyone are telling. So by praising him, see Kavi Manoranjan Prasad Singh ne written this. So like this, Veer Kunwar Singh has done so many things. Okay, for you, you have to get information about Veer Kunwar Singh. That only enough here, and also you have to read the word sentence and all. Read the book, ma. Read the lesson. Okay, okay. That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.